straightforward. The expenses of Timemuni eba be paya. Ade a woto de otodi ne nasefo nyina prices ni mu nyina eba be paya. And there comes the question, say, you say inflation about from niyama hodo improve paya. But still, it's not getting or having reflection our Timemuni day-to-day life eso. Timemuni akitu anso de tia de daso onso ye den etie. One the sad story behind Saniema yi. Sentumu eba mu obebia. Effect no eba wo Timemuni botoso. But one who say increase abasa Timemuni no ni daily wage eso da. I reho part the reason dear Diana de Nyameka say, yeah, I thought that women enjoy politicization of some of these basic things. Nanka yen face reality no. Yen challenge the institutions responsible. Yen challenge womo modano no. No mun say niema bi ni na muntu bi omuntu no. E hati memufo. Chese edi osun edi atete edi ahokyere na breti memfo. Because you can't tell me say unless you two fuel prices more. Nasi ye beto lorry fe mu a. Enya direct effect on a niema hodo aye to ye memo ha. You can't tell me that. I mean just so straightforward. Our niema hodo nyina so. Because I don't know for any excuses. And a lawyer for boarding the dynamic of fire winning lawyer fire Jimmy. My man to more made and my yamin fast. So you see, that's the effect. And you may say politicians no shas no more day for na year politics, or year politics. Wabra munim no kura pass one man kasa kranum sometimes, most of the time, not sometimes, most of the times, for no. Ne control no enyira omo so emfiri omo ya ifiri soro ifiri international effect bia na say de be si bia no course bia be si wo ho bia no effect no e ba yen so bare ne nte sa politics sa no omo de ye politics sa de chin bia politics sa but ni nyina bows down to say basic things ye memu ha e wosenka aban bia to me provide nanka eboa na the prices of a niema to me ba from ti say fuel kra kosoro kra na enya effect kese power niema so no yenye because body yi mekan kwani no baby a odi be free e de aba kroma ba beton ne kwan nye oni market enti ebi wo ho body no betumi agu ho na asai body no ebetumi agu ho na asai anase mekan ade a odo a ye ntos ni jenne no se duru opebre na nsuo nto a ye ni any other alternative bia so betumi anya nsuo e de agugu sa no ba ye yi so aban so provide bibia obetumi ayede amasa akuani no no de agugu sa ne ma no so nanka de na ba abu abroso nanka ba abu abroso ne kwan so esan so eye nti o transporting free baby o wo no de ba kromu kakra entem so ni ato abuso enti se to fuel prices mu kra nanka ade na busu bebre sa kra nanka enya direct effect kese kra wo ne ma no so. But here is the case, the basic things na buy what's wo ye no onye ensuo first of all cry ye di be gugu sa no ba ye so na tumi afifi yi no aban no onye yensuo yi nso na nne ye say no yi yensase yi so na nne ye say no yi nti tenase na recount in the coming days ni years tese yensase no koso asei yensuo na koso asei a oh ene anwe ya kura na fuel prices no kura emma ne homene so no na locally and nam say was shortage of these and near mantino ɛkɔmbɛde yɛn ahokyerɛ bɛba yɛbɛtutu nneɛma mu inflation ne bɛpagya saa ɛbɛkɔ Amerika saa na ɛbɛba abɛyɛ. You see, so I thought that I mu bi ebisa yɛ ho sɛ ti aban wo gyegye timamufo taxes ahodoɔ bebrebe yi nyinaa because pure water yi kura yɛ kɔ akɔtɔ yi deɛ ɔtɔn pure water no wo aban wote ne tax nti wote ne tax anyɛ ɔno na ebetua me a mɛkɔ akɔtɔ nsuo no me a na mesan tua saa tax no ɛde ama ɔno na wo aban wasagye nti it means say tie saa analysis yi o it means say me Kwame Agyarko wo a wo tie me no wo na dan ne dan nyina aban tax wo nkyɛn na sika no ɔgye bi free because who got on so na tax da so wokɔ restaurant ko didi a tax wɔ hɔ deɛ wobɛyɛ bia sɛ wotwi wankasa wo car tax egu so you see basically ɛyɛ wo ne yɛ tax meanwhile so yɛ tax wo nso nneɛma a yɛbɛyɛ na nka wo wɔ adwuma a wo yɛ atumi akɔ so sika atumi aba wo bɔtɔm na nka tax na yɛgye wo no ɛnhyɛ da nhaw kɛse ɛnka wo kɛse no ɛno yɛnyɛ mma wo. You see my point at me try to establish your multi no. A basic analysis. A basic. And see, I buy no, and you might be wa ke munye ni unu say modwe mutu anamo. Make ai akwan wa ye emuda ho. Make ai baby a omu hia you can say dam ahodo no so wahye de amom kuya baby ekoso no na accessibility to some things ebebo mo no wo de amom asa the yes answer aban you are creating a way or you are creating a room for investors so ombeba say hey watermelon na yetumi ye na ye de akọ ya package de agu ade mu no eharom no mu produce no too much nti ehokora na anya ye kwa ye betumi akọ raw materials bebre na yetumi produce no ntem nti kura ehu nyia kura senka ye situate ye factory no kura wa akra anaase tema yenko ho no yenko bie bi because one ekwan na ye de be transport to sa na no eye two railway lines no so eye adwuma enu nti se ye ka se ye de fa by road ekwan car na se ebewa ye wia railway lines ni ye adwuma entem so akwakopie mu akra entem so akwakopie mu okumase. So you see that basic analysis na me ye di ama wa no pay do to be won se ni mu da ho but eno mfa ye ho I mean fair no to wasan approve say buses ahodo ye mfa mra mountain so na fi emwa na easy sa ahokyera say ye pon adwuma anampo ye kwa adwuma ye face when it comes to transport car ye be fro dia kofie na se fall and also o de aba be gum mountain so aba be gum be so de aba be gum nti se kumase a e bia wo de 50 bi de aba be gum ti buses na e bi kwa hensan e bi ko buo krom e bi ko ye abu akwa e bi ko tech e bi ko krofrom e bi ko atonsu e bi ko mampontin na sefo na sane ma no na tumi kosa ti ye twen se no so beba na tumi ayi pade ye misa se yakwan no so ti sen buses no so e bi tumi a chede se de yakwan yi so atete apura pansam yi he ye wo STC wo ho ye wo ayalolo bus wo ho ye wo kofo bus yi bi nso awo ho pade ye misa se ni nyina ba ye no ne mfaso a wasati memufo ne Ghana for yenya no yenya besi ne yenya na it say any a question for another day ye be di ho nkomo na ya pension mu to some of these things e wo hono na attorney general so ono so wakopeja nkomo ni nyina ne se abrantie baako ye frɛ no tete adamate or the akwakopi mu court say office of the special prosecutor na ene ewo ho a eya adwuma no emra ma ho kwan etia Ghana mra eno nti yenyim firi ho ma attorney general so akwa join that same case na ekopi mu court but the other sad part is say special prosecutor, office of the special prosecutor, some of fan on the honor day, yeah, man of coins or may join it. Nan kono so may any argument as to why I was so existed and now say no quite so existed. Now and none of questions I hold was shall see a bummy to me beside me whole question said. One more normal baby establishes our office of the special prosecutor. Now woman himself article 88 ewo. No one say article 88 because we read the article 88 now we read the clause 4 of the article 88 actually say and 70 cases who do be a because we memo hadom no I was say if attorney general and some was attorney general and directed all offenses prosecuted in the name of the Republic of Ghana shall be at the suit of the Attorney General or any other person authorized by him, the Attorney General, in accordance with any law. 2. All offenses prosecuted in the name of the Republic. So offenses be in the name of the Republic, you know. Shall be at the suit of the Attorney General or any other person authorized by him in accordance with any law. Ti yeba be create, yeba be establish no. Ye hu se amra yi wo ho. Na kwan ben na di ye nkomo de fa so se be ye betumi ama office of the special prosecutor sa independency no na assemble enya fe no wodi kwakọ wurawura ekwakọ fole ekwakọ piemu attorney general so ye ansana watumi akọ prosecute people and say suspect are we involved into one way or the other no somewhere sa tete the case no dia kwakọ piemu ewo Supreme Court and they say kakra wum. Because the entire Americans are say so we could read the Act 959 of the Office of the Special Prosecutor Act now. Asase no edi nkomo bi me de wo bewura mu ho. Ansa na wo san ko read section 42 of it. It means say o derive directions na nasefo nyina free the Attorney General. So the independence of the Office of the Special Prosecutor na way. And your politics near some per se idea. Because the entire Americans are say, why they appointed the Attorney General? The president. Fine, we must say president now they appointed the office of the special prosecutor there. But or not there, or lifeline or the Edini Juma. A bang to me, me say, I just say, a beer. As stipulated, wafum bibi no be a petitioner gina so near dia yi no. To ono de obetumi exist a di ni juma. But Attorney General de saban ni free so a ono nso free so ama foforo aba. Na say we say Office of the Special Prosecutor embeji directions ni advice a hold one from free Attorney General. E be a president war interest on a certain case OSP no ADH ra. E na besi Sani obi tumi a change case we impatcho di case we fafasi case we say bottle baby case we say yanko file no possible ewo ho anamboa. So it means we your creative office no but your man powers be obi tumi a function independently adijuma. Because at any point in time the Attorney General can come in no a no there was way. And yamina America the Act 959, which I'm going to read to your hearing, and I'll pay you crown so eka. One more act, no? Ankasakra eka, echrimu, there was one more. Mamma for and chassis for free a straw hodum. Or say the 959 Act of the Parliament of the Republic of Ghana entitled Office of the Special Prosecutor Act 2017. Or say an act to establish the Office of the Special Prosecutor as a special agency to investigate specific cases of alleged or suspected corruption and corruption-related offenses involving public offenses or public offices and politically exposed persons in the performance of their functions, as well as persons in the private sector involved in the commission of alleged or suspected corruption and corruption-related offenses. Prosecute these offenses on the authority of the Attorney General and provide for related matters. So you see, to prosecute you, it is on the authority of the Attorney General. And in the 2 million Casano, or the best function in a way. Now, the entire case, me who say Adamate or Ninaswa. Now, this will be a referendum. Now, referendum, no, Article 88, no, ya juma. Nanka ya creative room for Office of the Special Prosecutor, no, what you fancy. But saying yes, idea, a bayer. Still, a case is a who do I bear say a prosecutor, and I say, a bear say a bepa new year. It will be, or it will be based on political lines. Did they bind the penna and obey Attorney General say, this direction, farmer a year the special prosecutor say, on fast no in Juma. Now, here's Section 4.2 of the Office of the Special Prosecutor Act. Now, Section 4.2, the Oka. Also, subject to Clause 4 of Article 88 of the Constitution, the office shall, for the purpose of this Act, be authorized by the Attorney General. Subject to Clause 4 of Article 88 of the Constitution, the office shall, for the purpose of this Act, be authorized by the Attorney General to initiate and conduct the prosecution of corruption and corruption-related offenses. So you see, sha. Now sha no so sa be sha won so dia. Enhye. Now me case ni say, why should the Attorney General even join Adamate? The case, no, to fight against the Office of the Special Prosecutor. What is the reason behind? So if a binary Attorney General are ready to fight corruption and corruption-related cases and offenses, normally say Special Prosecutor, why should you even join this? Why? And then I won't Adamate nankasa nanko no ankasa enko koneko nanka wo no well Ghana dey bibia to me si mane ye. Ghana there bibia possible mane but to me no there me ntiase say Attorney General bekwa join it say there we the motive behind so akwa join in here there and now person time bia onya to me no kire the Office of the Special Prosecutor there was so ya na mo was so too though it is stipulated or mentioned in the Constitution. There was way there. But opposite or to me intrude or opposite time to me poking in nose into the affairs of the special prosecutor. Opposite time be out to me and I'm on 2 was a special prosecutor, a 2 and are saying. Are we really ready as a country to fight corruption? Are we really ready as a country to say you perceive 2 corruption as Are we ready as of mindset you perceive you 2 corruption as oh you memoha and answer saying or what is it? You perceive 2 corruption as of my and answer na you perceive you know. Because you perceive 2 corruption as the idea and the diagro. You diagro. And Ranameka, corruption, instead of it becoming an enemy of the country, it has now become a culture. It has become a culture, say, a bar near Bodney, near Maso, near Yehunde Devi, we are not a Kotodin, nada. So, our way of handling or tackling corruption is creating and giving room for people. Say they are in the Ombakoswai. Omain ben pani etimuyo. Omain ben pani etimuyi menu mienu. ɔman na yɛ team no yɛne ankasa yɛ ready ne yɛaka nifoɔ no so ayɛ ready deɛ akandifoɔ no wɔn ayɛ ready sɛ nneɛma bi a ɛkɔ de tia yɛn nneɛma bi a nkɔ yie nneɛma bi a ɛnsɛm fata ɛkɔ so wɔ yɛ mɛmu ha no wɔn bɛko ati anaasɛ as usual wɔn pɛ sɛ yɛyɛ no saa sɛdeɛ yɛ a wɔn mu binom politicians no bi yɛte de firi wɔn ano and I'm saying this on authority yɛte firi wɔn ano sɛ Ghana deɛ nyɛ yie o obi ani hɔ bɛtumi ayɛ Ghana yie no saa na ɛba abɛyɛ anaa is that the case? Is that the case? So now all you are is onto us. I mean, you know, maybe I bet you could be a demonstration be asked. It's okay, any referendum. Now you create a room for special prosecutor, known to me exist ye, known to me function ye, known to me dini juma ye. Because I yes, say in contabisa ne belonging to NDC and MPP. Nasa a special prosecutor at timeless word the name court. Nasa attorney general a case will need interest womb and our attorney general case be away and be prosecuting and Yamfa we are now bought to her. Only we can want to mean you. As I'm never quite you. Interview because per what I've read to you, no, it means to say special prosecutor no me to me Kwame Agyarko the independence in there and you know and so because obey directions obey authority then I serve for area free attorney general a what they are any obey so the person experience it means to say so be to me a prosecute ye pa case be a fenchim pa na this are buying free so now you be call back to post regime accountability instead of intra-regime accountability, I was saying, nke koso nti ofiri so kra na so aye boni ana egusu prosecute or teso no so aye boni ana e de ne famra kwan so no say ye ba be encourage post regime no so and I no politics no because the NDC prosecute NPP for the ombegyan say wo mo ye politics. But said NDC anka say prosecute NDC for there. Oh, kaya nyina nka MPP for kra be gbaje so aka kire mo say wo ma ya de. Nka ye ne politics di yetimu no. Wo a wutifia politics di wutrim NDC ni MPP di wutrim nti say wonya te say ye de MPP ni bi kokot and NDC ni bi kokot a wo say witch hunt no. Nke be firi ho. We are not allowing institutions to function. Now here you critique institution bi ana ye mra bi ana ye de tokuru bi akɔhye baabi. Ye de tokuru bi akɔhye baabi a ye de be yi ho. Oh. Rollins be ye say Rollins critique constitution no man favor no. Na Canada so ba be critique office of the special prosecutor no article 88. Ade na ma me anya referendum amfa ho. Okay, let me leave this to the legal brains. Navi, woman debate wo ho na yenhwe de ebe kwa kosi. Because the office of the special prosecutor am fa powers na nhye nsem. Ama na ndi ni dwuma said ye was wo dia. Ye be bre wo memu ha papa. Ye be bre papa. Ye be ye politics sa. Kwa mi atena se mama na chi. Obeni. Maje.
Ye nua.
Ibi ayo fine.
Nyankopon dum boko.
Na da obade na se fi so e.
Nyame adum boko.
Be da twedi ampo Nyankopon na se ho no. Obeni.
Afani.
Ya be to form ni e. Se men na wi.
Menim se wow be ye no waye ni. But my main take opportunity because this is the opportunity I have. And when shemia me bakwaku Agyarko. Happy birthday. Benedict. Bedit.
Yeah.
Hey.
And I be anya bro fudi misro. E di mi no ne yakabo.
Okay.
Bedit. Beko ne edit.
Beko ne edit. Na edit e hwidi.
Na edit e hwidi. But which mean ka say abro fudi. Say edit ne abro fudi na beko ye fiedi.
And still Kwame abro fudi.
Edit na ma abro fudi o.
Edi senior the mommy affectionately calls him Kwaku. mame wish no happy birthday me say nyankopon say ono a onim ya yewie ye efri ahyase no ono ankasa enkevu a very smooth path emano yes enyema ye firm growing up na enye no mo mfamu bi ye say nyame say oma ne dom no enye kese wonu so oma ni meye panyin titiu ne wiase nyina antini din edian ye din pa na nyame mbie na adwem na onye nhyirama na busua ene Ghana man ni wiase nyina okay nti anopa mi yimpa ye man say may God of our fathers and our forefathers bless him amen and keep him. All right, anopa Kwame waka bebre na because of emergency a quick one me person me here on sanitation. I think say free anonymity share sanitation corner say yes a brave free and fee by say some pahine eka kroimu emu aye fini kroimu emu bon emra me ka say Ashanti region drew greater Kumasi a kroni emu bon kroni mu nya kra de krona ye no eyade a ehadwen a yanhwe yi a bridge a ye yade a bebo Ashanti region no ebe ye obi anwanwa ti danom na me ka se yampe bibia anya mfa ho a ye tetewo saa de de pinido saa na amanfo ahyase se wu because a thing adoring eye Ashanti region ni titi greater Kumasi the center of the region the Afruman Kasa Emma region no the business center a thing amene a free nanom na yakwa ho aka ho asemwa ejosu kura wo hayi onum se wudura ejosu a baby a to ball egukromu ni bi ejosu omuni bi enti Ashanti region ni nyina sanitation I think the regional minister epe okroyi ya also ni MMDCs ni tenase no ni stakeholders tenase we a national security a matters a border on national security Kwame Yanwan say anambing yenyina yenim say Africa over the largest waste compost site a K-Cup I wa esraso yes they just a hodo mbesi no sa compost plant na ho de seed no but mami ekwan bi so memo mbeyo a baso say ebra ye ka efin asem dokore greater Ashanti no odimirika ba be ka say enyama bi koso a ohun ya long middle term and long term and short term intervention mami mozuba baso what the quick response or the babaduba it is not enough sa long term ya brofo ne eka no kwase me wom ni say ya de K-Cup foka simplicity ya de K-Cup foka about 4 good years ayemo mu kapre Kwame said ya bubi ebra ye I think 2018 mu ho K-Cup cha say so mba be ye institute K-Cup as a subsidiary of Zoom Lion a Zoom Lion for na company bi anya dia K-Cup a subsidiary. Now the idea of K-Cup there by na why we should jumo mpeso mudi waste management ye metal ye plastic ye we ebia ye segregate no na ye mu anya de ebia ya de ebeboyen enti de ebekọ fertilizer ko me kai short time the idea by people from Volta region and other places e busa kra say fa no benya fertilizer bi ato because we a natural fertilizer or metal for so condemn for no mu pebi. This is a big time business. Ghana na efin aye musu amayen baby efin eye nshirama omu baby efin eye nshirama omu so das egu a ye hunu de emfanye yi odu eye offices are tables are ye free China ni de nya eye so das no bebre na so das no de omu compress ne sa dom de abra ni egusu gidi amaka ni ya pa ya ni ye ni na free office because so that they are making good use of it enti sake kapi baye Kumasi Compost and Recycling. What you say? This is a project by say babe boy am a finya edo kware a finya emene ye afri ho. But 4 years ni yentu omuka. 4 good years yentu omuka. I ask myself say entisika minim dabia omuga say sanitation management the board we know. But said you know that me can say so say sanitation expensive at dry health natural ade so we are there hweka anyone kwanse sika kura betima to a and the money we need to say the be crest no ya de be share national health insurance mu say timi ye good sanitation nipa bebre wa ya de nko munya but e do bedru dom na man 40 fi ho ubedu adum ubedu pizza na kwa 40 fi ho na eton nyoma because ya pray wie no kura na de agu baabi no aifa na tamako Kwame na ahwe sa ke kaptatama yamu bi omu bi a ye ko ho ni nei okohwe se ne nyoma sitia enya awreho asefem but minim say your ministry or ye intentionally created for your sanitation budget akọ no ede ne ede ye Kwame sa uba metropolitan na akasa mu a IGF ni sika ye located for sanitation no ede ne ede ye ya tira wa na kada ye kakraka na afi amene yen basenkai ye ana ye west ana ye due diligence ana sika kabia bai bia ye tua no annually ana quarterly kra akasamne saka na ye hunu 4 years enenya sika ketwa ne da ho eja da oday keka fontimi nya omuntimi nya adwuma it's not operational na Kwame yesa baye hwe han ada size ho no senzo to a yenim sane hawa ekwan ni nyam trouble yedu dry season a ye baye hwe han ye mpanyansa sa abo ntetea na ye hu de baye wo ebra awiabo na su tobre so ya rely on our food ye buffer stock ya stock ego eti ya baye na kwan na febo na kas na akotintim na so babe ya semfoforo Zuba, you are doing well, but it is not enough when it comes to sanitation. Dabi amebo abaso said the pace and speed are what the bemuno. Yeah, but Zuba, we are calling on you, say, when it comes to sanitation, dear, and a person that we know, nipa ye usuni obaya ye nim say, you are an action man, you can take action and work and sanitation a bit my ye our region. Municipal metropolitan team betima ye ade e free na me ye free ba bia udu ashanti rejudu data kumasa kro no pon fa dum pizza ko fa pampas o no nyina Dr. Mensa kro de bo kro ni mo pon ade kro ni mo pon aya kro me pesa me bodin garden city kra kwa de esa na utwa me nsuru mutwa ma wo na kane no kwa na ye koskwada ye sese nso wo cap ma kejeti asata na enye fesei kejeti agp atufo offices and is in there store container nya bobo those days kwa na ko more time say ede ye wey obia say population ko so eti ne water and country planners they plan ahead ede ro mugu oye ogoko bi say menka na yade me maami a otontos sori a machi na mai bi tika so na ka na sugar no mote so kofa duane ne ade free a big go fast Burkina unim the risk involved kentampo touch my kwa ka say easy tina ka mo risk your life ba na matete ni ajejo mo tax ni ade twa wo kanat your condition na mo enjoy ni ase from town country planners and other offices are more stakeholders. Now more yenshehina and you may say you don't want us to say it. Atabraka. Dear Koswana and yet your mind excuses are chadodo. Excuses in the and some cronimu bong. Kroni mu bon yaka no krancha ye ho. And not only Greater Kumasi, there are so many municipalities and districts are kroni mu bon. Now me catch me now no pen am catch us quite just so kwohwe. Anti yo su mama osu ni sadani yam. Kroni mu bon. Adai ya pese ade ade akuyama. Ara na mpese mu de awura ba bia ni se awura. Kwa me nwa ba bi se yam so. Adai na so ba betoy kura de me mayedue. Enso ba betoy me mayedue efi e hye nkofo ho a mo soso mu a mo be yesa nyam betua mu nyina aka. Ama plan se enso betoy mo di nso mo di nwura begugu gates nyam betua mu nyina mo ka. Wate Saudu se hunu wo fie na de aba beto sabi obi jane na akra no adagu black poly no awro ni sabon se ba as a gift na da otom dan betwa mu nyina mo ka mo ye mambofo. And these are people Kwame na me kra come to think of it. Data Bureau for National Security, Ghana Police, the cyber side. Cameras na bubo krom na adwuma. Because nanom yesi obi akwa penti. Baby na obi di bibi akofa so na yesi camera wo ho. Nyasa no muka kire ye. Up to now yente ho hwe. Greater Kumasi udru a piece that na adwuma cameras esisi ho no. Yenchi obi kra wa brodi enwura egu baby anye. Ebe serve as deterrent. Eya adwuma de. Masa mamu fa kro de John biamo me kai Greater Accra maybe omu bai no mbe kire e bi ka enya accident na de asa camera say Ghana na eya adwuma because they are found for fashion o say the say krom we enya interior decor materials ni bi adia na akoso yi. We should use people as scapegoat. This will be a deterrent to other people. And this is a wake up call to MMDCs, to the metropolitan, the mayor himself, and the regional minister, to large extent. And these are things not more phones to be me mano. No matter na wa na ezu ayiri ana be abese anya mo mba no de mosquito net me ayi na abrew. No mo de student mattress abrew. Oh shed our agencies na ekoso na. We have to be our own security. I love it says Zumbaka say. Enipa bia obechu obi no, ya di nipa no kokota. Eye 50-50. Fire de be ma no jo share. Now so agil share. Quiet baby.
Yes.
Because Kwame Yankasa Yanya watch my the leadership is failing us.
That's true. Because
that is it. Not Kwame. I'm ready baby asao.
Yani criticize fino.
Okaze dumi cameras a chini pe two. Na zuba action man action pana. Bukaze be hwe han. Ebe gofo be yi. But no so nanom na me kan say. Omu na ba ku mienu wa ese ayi no ai snail wa twen koshem o se ase kejete no afemu ya ba ku wa mu akochem se ayi no snail zuba mu de zuba no wa mu akochem se snail
wa ese nsu onyi no
zuba na anything ani mbra se oba enforce ba se akwana mu wa mu ese ayi no ade bi a hyenenke no wa mu
Kwame, do you think say was here the tax force a good room?
Kwame tax force no go mu ye wu temi de sanko fon kwa dem be se metu mu ka. Omo mu sha white na you. Jaja omo nya guess no mu wi bia alleged no mu wi bia obi old man ya tu obi am obi nko jai sanko fon kwa dem po masemati.
Oh, but if for this
Jaja sa boys in the jai. Atopana se bia ekun bebre.
Obeni me ba. By this time, see more orientation ankasa. Ne akasa, this is the more kwakoye. Se mu husu obi e de baller anaso obi ajafi anaso na nim sa tankers na me say
opanyi na me say wana ka che so omunim ya ma wa education
tankers no mu ye adwuma kura che ene ya yesi ye modern world no tete tankers no nka wo fie kura ba ya fi
education be ni amfa mo omunim dada they know adwuma omu ye wan ka che so omu nim omu city gas for wan ka che so omu nim adwuma so omu ye na krono allegations do omu so ni say baby okra baby ani so park no omu jeche omu ko omu chichen money take department for no omu chichen MTTD omu ya keka na diobu so ama na omu ya yin so ebi so hwibi asa aseme wo krom omu hwibi ndin bi na afi omu favor bi that is allegation akoso kwame omu dia me person obeko masem kra omu kra de before omu to nchen what dia akoso na tan I see ya tena wa 4 years go for de ka na wo kra wo adwuma ka wontum etese ba bia de fi no kwa akogunu ye nibi Ghana hanyina Ashanti region and yeah what the biggest a field treatment plant wo honoma a thing say refuse ya gather ye recycle no Ghana hanyina Africa hanyina composite site the largest our Ashanti region
and I feel so does no
our Ashanti region they say oni ni ankran na ehwebom our Ashanti region esra so heya
otumi kopie ba bi kan
what na ya beboka abeye wesi wona se mfa so ma bia 4 years ano ma boka egu ananum abu gogofum te ho ai former mayor omo te ho TikTok ni ayisem debate fun say e ka mo jagu onu ana onu so ba azuba so ba onu so be bobi ka ho what no mo dia be MPP NDC sem Jesus Christ na yetememfo ne ete before say mo na mo di kan boka NDC for ba mo na mo di kan boka na MPP for ba amosoma be bobi aka ho ana mo ntua concert
mate obeni mate ma me na say concert because it looks as if say we aren't ready and willing say you better tackle some of the basic issues now a bit to me aboy just like in Kontabi say can all of this and idea they are hold the ba they yourself can kind of to be from wa ne funny minimum maybe am tontoma hold one near we are man for ne the malaria ba na cholera and so ba na fi abayansa akotisika kese abayansa akoti efia wo generate but on ni nyina wie ba be si say nipa na o yesa fi no di gu abonte no obekọ ni fi kura o yefi obekọ ni fi kura o yefi on ndi ne hu ni wo fi nti because o di hu ni wo fi ade nti na abonte o ba be yefi agu ba be ye plain ba be ye open di nti na ba be yefi di agu ho ama obi ehu se wo yefi di go se o di wo hu ni a so you see momi entu ye hofo yam fast that matago herbal mixture and capsules anopai tago eboyen sebeya erectile misfunctioning memma mo memma here no entumi nwemu die entumi sorry enyina ne nan so na emmo adwuma misro uhia tago herbal mixture se obe yusu ano na fi nso etumi aboa ewo eye honum sanso ena oyo ba na wo low libido also now so I beje odo so low libido oba me pacho yantamwe na fi so kopetago heba mixture in capsules ibi infections ahodo bia e ha no mesrew tutumirika na tago emwo na into asie from 0243228296 0243228296 ewo honum RSY Novigi Studios and Efre we say main control say open professional photography ne film production open specials studio are equipped with top of the line professional equipment a bit to me cater for all your creative needs me ba show RSY Novigi Studios or enkran Malama Biase off First Kokroko Street. Fre Benifo was 0574715778 and also 03039748222. Roman father adruno and I may come for the amount of pay. Roman father adruno may come for the amount of pay. Say kopebi no nombi bobobi nafe entumi enye nipaduano ho adwuma na namness e wo so stroke na e wo so body pains ne weakness na wo so pressure ne diabetes chronic diseases ahodoa ene wo nipadua na aircon na afei emma wonya eye apomudin mu asumdwie no me pa che okope Roman father adru na fi nombi na entumi emmoa Roman father say let's give God chance also nom ya na nyankopon abeye ho adwuma na fi apomudin ni nyina gina ne nan so me pa che pharmacy shop drugstore ne chemical shop bia drugstore ne pharmacy shop bia no on sabe ka bi from 0247 919122 and 0552 668 517 na fi oni omo eni nkomo me catch row say ba wo to ase a how ma wuntumi ntu na wuntumi nante wuntumi nya bia de a clinic ba ko pe eno ne 21st clinic o se wuntumi nante enra me mfa wonko achi na me mmosofo no nso din because me obi a me pa hwehwa me pensem tie pa nra me si foma na me kotna ben baby kitu e bi wo 21st anim hanom sofu panyin pa o se na say na me bro o ne colleague bi din komo e ka school ho nsem o me mpendifo ba to o me da so school de hu ya ba no kire say na say na bra me bre ne mintumi nso ya ma class kura mintumi nko but me bato aso 1 2 3 no ho sa pomode na asisi ne nan so ti say ono nanum sem na me ka che onti o say why na adwen say a week bi obeba 2 times because it's o tumi nanti o tumi chika me mometri mo nka na me ha mani nka de minimum so me nka sa na metie nti me comfort 21st clinic de amount o de ni padua no wote pains bi wo baby wontumi mpagya wonsa wontumi mpagya wo nan wontumi nante wosisi ya wo ja wo to ase twetwe wontumi nya ho hwe a me say expert wo mo ye expert pa wo sa na ma yi ho 21st clinic wo mo ye expert wo ho wo nko na mrofo atumi ato nsa from ama wo makọ USA wo makọ UK South Africa Denmark ama mo sciatica ya de wo makọ kutu ase de amom adansidi a eba for 21st clinic no enya adansidi ketwa eno titutu mirika na fo ani achiro mo wo maso ye na yemmoa ya be ye lab test ni ahwe scan nso ni de wafam ewia de ka ho a wo say ya dru de ya say ya massage nso near the atoaso at the amount 21st clinic na make come for the amount Kumasi I went overseas maybe a Sompa TV Sompa FM wa Bronsano Sorono a Seohana 21st clinic a wow Modijuma or Boston Suya Council Quarters Court Junction a crown so mubutu ho Modi Juma Sunyane opposite teaching hospital and Kranza any teach mine 21st clinic or honum from 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 and at 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 Oka 21st clinic or say sciatica expert and 21st clinic Mr. Udim nan say Oka sa obi ho a bona ordinance no wa yesi ana no wa unity no ha nchen ana no wa kwa ichire na so wa sugar as wa ya no so wo gina yie no oni wadi nkomo boa oboa cent bi ai pie free wonu mu ba no anya cent ketwa mi kai won se no ba bia se ye tu kaka bi na se fonti cent bi akwa ko gina mu o kasa enkoyi wacho Sompa FM ye ne ye Unilever Ghana Limited ya be kase Pepsodent for ya kabum say ye ba be dental checkup wonum nsene gu wonum no e how bia wo ho e how bia wo face bia no ye say ye ba be ye nsemu checkup ama wo ye be free of charge ye be no Sompa TV Sompa FM haya ye premises say ya ne ye ba be ye be no the whole day full day 16th of April bosumi ya ye wo mu ne de to so dunsia ne ye ba be no bra ye hwe wonum mawo enka na free fa what to nura ta emfa o de bra ye be hwe wonum na mawo ense no nso na ase ye bibia wo ho ne na ase for bra ye be ye ho adwuma de amawo ai ya fa sa kana to ye ho so e bia make you date dru kra so ko check up na fi ya hwe de ama or the upper date no fatonche bra ne hwem fa maw ani bi nso a obi aka kire obi anya kukudura aka kire say eh de aye yi de gisi wakwa ko hu we nko ba bia 16th of April bra Sompa TV Sompa FM your premises anon na fe yenhwe won simu wonum enka ne wom ensena insisi ne nanso ne de hawo no yemmoa na fe entumi nyina ne nanso mesro tutu mirika na bra nti bra na won simu no yemra yenhwe professional dentist experts advice nso was here the mouth say ebia say won se no wutwi atwi ni say na say you so aduro wi na emunya kama na no so ya tutu for na bibia atumi akọ ye dia maw ewo honom Kingdom Garlic Center woman na ye first ya woman the Kingdom Garlic capsules ni bitters e dia ba woman the garlic capsules ni bitters dia ba bontin so na eboa ma immune system no gina ne nan so immune system eno na duru aye garlic and the capsules and omodi ababontin ti immune system ni ba be gina na ne nan so na stress no so aya wo fam be so wa bre ti sa no pa yi obi aminim na ase na nimu aye say or twini mu sa no won ni na aye stress arthritis numbness hypertension stroke heart disease cholesterol na hawa Kingdom Garlic capsules and any bitters and I make for their mouth. I feel Kingdom Ginseng Power capsules and so ababontin for sexual weakness. See I know where you go. See I know where you go. Pacho Copeg Kingdom Ginseng Power capsules. Na Bobby na numbi. Ne jina ona so ne mfro daddy. Me mfro dada. Me mfro daddy. Me mfro dada. Sisi yade anso ne how. Me pacho wo de wonum ababo yi sisi yade na firo. Wo mental stress. And now say physical energy no ena nyina ne nan so me ba cho pe Kingdom Ginseng Power capsules enum tremendous capsules nso wo ho ya sa tremendous capsules nso no eboa na wo natural formula for treatment of all vaginal infections menstrual disorder ne bad odor wa se hodum no be ma bi se oba no oba be hit and run na se wo my infections ne scent no ka hwa oba ka chiri se obekọ obedwane akọ wontina ka chiri bekọ baro peso oka obeye hit and sinker me pa cho ko pa duro ne bebubobe na yi sa scent no ne nka ne nyina afiri honom na gina wo nan so what you say me pa cho pharmacy ne drug stores ahodo nyina obenya bi wo maso ye from 0597 298 855 and 0559 761 144 Kingdom ana no ajeso no challenger so enemre menko yekua emmoka enemre so be use fertilizer dia gu eye onoba ye ne wonfudie eso a enkoto fertilizer bia adwo bia fi at the end of the day obe hu se na still na de woso wonya no wa nya mpacho misro OCP Ghana Limited Ade fertilizer papa dia babontia or the babe buakuafo we introduce fertilizer brand new one at the Aba market so and to go for the best go for OCP fertilizer na increase your yield no na increase your income because the more the yield na cost no the more your income and say abro no say legumes no say vegetables na hodo no etumi so doso a na osika no so abase doso sika no na abase doso e OCP Ghana and ababonte ti misro fertilizer no say no ebi mo ebi kura spy ebi kura chese asay ye nya ne yempo because when we say Ghana for ye don't ntu ye ne biara na odi aba but OCP de aba ti o pese o vegetables o cereals no so doso a OCP 15 and our OCP 10 and I may come for their mouth se kwaji na fa gugu no ba ye no so ne nso dochi pe pa cho frame penifo na oni omuni nkomo bia open dodo atu anampo pese eye chemical shop aye tonton bi no ukoto bia from 0555 909437 0555 909437 and 0555 909433 0555 909433 OCP fertilizer na oseboa bla na yemwa na onobaye no enso doso esanso ye papa ena yede emma ewo eye honum. I mean, my big for baby the atmosphere time check in the studios is 43 past 8. Evans from the side of the NDC wababi di atmosphere ewo fidioma sanso ena abrantie kin kwajo abubada kin kwajo abubada. Also, regional communication team member, the NPP. One the atmosphere. I mean, come on, actually, and share on commercial and city. Ken, someone in our group, the Ken. The Koyo, Brasse, Kakrana, chin microphone, conche, Kakrama, Menafi. Not audio, no alcohol, Nafi, in Como. Koyo, now, you can buy a match. You be a fine dear. NDC for wife because Ufugun come back once a month, Papa. Ufugun or pocket. I see. I see. I'm telling you. It's a fact. It's a fact. Are you sure you are lying? How can I lie? I'm not sure I'm lying. I'm telling you the fact. I see. That's the reality. You will do a man fan check from a DK and then a comments. Say you tomorrow. DK more. Yeah, Michiano Pablo will be a Michel DK. I'm judging more than no good one. Be a channel cook out cook. I care. Namotion chair or Bapa or as a bow may. Mrs. Victoria, a child. I'm going to jump with you. The and the team can argue today is a send on the money, money, and this is a inquiry, and this is a dicky, Sediki, Moya, dear, and the on the pay, Menso, Moya, Namincha, Sompa FM, I shall phone it at you. Namincha, Minia, and this in the and no one in Quay Gross, you queen, who defended the road and the indefensible. No. Mamencha ononso na mini ayatase mate mamena se wo Evans mache
When get here, me Joso.
Be fine.
Nyankopa Daroma. We share here. Among is he kokamo ya. Promise ni and near deliver. Yet me say Nyankopa Daroma. Bibia ekos minu ya iba nte ne ho afefefe o kana no fonfom. Nte enyoma ekoyi na ko homa nyine so ate. Ni nyina free NDC amamu ntia. Nti Nyankopa Adom. Bibia ko kama.
Efie ne abusu anyina obi aho.
Nyame adom. Efie boko, je boko.
So ko say na grassroots no CD campaign because I know say back for communication officer the ma Kwabre East.
No credit say delegate no kra no agibi bre isem.
Okay.
Agibi bre isem because ade we koso no mu bi wo Kwabre da.
Okay.
This is the first time. Omu say obi a free grassroots na mu apija said there be my fight ma ordinary Ghanaians no anoden.
Okay.
The delegate in the Nyankopon Adaroma. Bibia ekoso kama.
Okay. Mate, say bibia ekoso kama. Dia wona wa ben mu nti me sha say dia free so. And then aban say beti na fi wo yi taxes bi I that fuel prices so say be ya fuel na ye to no. So beti. Minim who are bemu maybe be a wanya national communication information what inform aban to take that decision or that steps. I mean to you.
Me da se obonegasie na de edika ma me chia me soft panyi me ba na mancha na say da bia wote ho a wo hwe me the general superintendent of the Savior Church of Ghana also panyi Abraham Kwaku Adusei osan best farmer ona odi mfie de otwemienu 82 na ye man best farmer of Ghana ha no na me chia me soft panyi ba konso district pastor so panyi atu ahene obo adwuma pa yi o de na se na ise wodi ni dwuma oba ni o ma bibiri ahyase a ezesa na me teacher ni baako abode baako pe asamwa or Safo Presby Basic School and so mama chana say Terry Eduma senior high one was within the Juma na me cha kwa breeze NDC fo nyina ene MC onabo MC so me chia no na me nua me da se was enka me bai ni kwa senka me kasa me tonyo mo nko a na masori ko because fidua ya mu na betena ya me kan say eye your friend say Israel ene Iran ntokwa na ekoso no enu nti na ama ye fuel prices no ekoso eja minu MVP ni bia me ne ba o kasa bibri ba me ka kire ne say his excellency etena se din no odwen Ghana fo ho a ana nso obaye no enye we enye first time why be pen enti so odwen Ghana fo ho no say oh your taxes bia bi say D levy and some taxes bia enti me mo ma Ghana yeso ye ho entoya obe ye fi ho me ba me kan ho asem ene say nyankopon ya adom ade akin yakwakote eni gisem sei me da se wo hwe ye fuel prices a omamu ha eno na control ye bibia metima ka 90% because the fuel no cost ye food prices e cost fuel no cost ye transport e cost
we fache me na memfa we ntwamu sisi ya enra metre ken ofuriata issue a buy ya confiscating a passport na se for right now I mean saka and is ken ofuriata enra ye bail a man was $65,000 bail and they have to ne kon peniti ho and I feel so yeah man bail no was based on health yeah grounds and yeah the man no yes so the is amrofo ankle nadia bi ne se for no e dey ahye ne nan amma no bia bia obetumi atukwan akọ ne bia wontumi ntukwan enko ewo honum ti he will reappear on the 27th of April as indicated yesterday ewo honum ti this is the new info at menya ewo honum and he's been treated as flight risk for USA. Flight risk ewo USD get over that don't mean to kwan ko ba bi na se for but by cases Ghana boy see here no bre
that's it the other from cry na me one day the first time o mu akra wa no ma finance minister former finance minister utimi from obom no yire free Ghana ombre o se member wonya hwe anko abanti ento aso enti ye beda omampanyi ase na NDC amanyoku no so Ghana for e wo boy abaso efi se ye ba ye wo hwe nyoma na ye toto ba bi fuel price ko duru ye obitimi busa akọ okada for na omom fre pragiafo obitimi bua no mani age because ofi se ohu bida onti bida enti entokwa course no ma prices ne course na ise akoye omampanyi dadwen kese se me ba se me ma Ghana for ho ayedai ho ato mo then so ade na abani sei itina aba say also call for emergency cabinet meeting no mu kwa mfa so a Ghana for bam ye sika asa aba back to yebutum because transport na 60 cities near tum ko 70 and there so the leave ni ba e dey 61 be dey be maintain yentimi nya dey entum biem because so beti because the emetete kra na say enya de betra 15 cities e koso kra na enya de betra 15 cities is either say be drew 15 cities and I say be less than that said be ya timamufo yeso ye ho be dey e betoye na dum say omampanyin ye obi a utie Ghana for obi be ye omampanyin e bra na ye ho kire ye na yenya aduane ndi na ye bibia ekoso enso wanfiye o de ilevi be pie so e ma ye komu ye dey eye dududu ilevi nso abuza ho asem say ende de be na omode ilevi ni ye ya omunya ho asem bi anka by last week me be ka ho asem ye de ilevi by last friend say ye the tua your friend say debt I beto ye tua almost getting to $1 billion this year and so you buy your tua almost $1.2 billion it do to me say amamu no e koyi ama ye dwen timamufo ne Ghana fo nyina ho because and now share aduane prices are above from bebre because of fuel prices are here dey
prices na above
oh
me to aduane
okay
okay nti me to abonti me call bi anso are e wosoro
ne bo so
quantity na menya no pede sika me de to no menya ne sabi
unya ne sabi de wo mu say aya na dodo na ye Ghana ye suban no kre na me ka cho de tia
ye mfa se Ghana afo
o dabi we ye nyina ye ntini o ma biase because ene ukọ a aduane bo abafom ebi di se abru abafom ebi di se emo abafom enoma bebre jende ne anoma ye de ye aduane nyina abafom so edi se abafom a na wo timamuni na wo nu aduane na za wo pese Ghana yeso ye ho toye no still wo pese obo no de saarete a omampanyin de na wonye mfa ho biem nice we try the best wa ma ye ko madwe edu hwe omo to aduane gufie na omo kasa no aduane na and they are enjoying it so omani age but yɛne a yɛntimi noa na yɛyɛ no yɛne yɛyɛ de yɛ complain mo nti yɛka sɛ ne yɛso yɛtu yɛ ho fo sɛ me maame bi a ɛne wɔtɔn dɔk no ɛne wɔkɔ yɛ friend sɛ adwira a ɛmo boy sɛ bag na 500 Ghana cedis by a good for the time na 1200 1300 so enti sɛ aba fo mo a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛso yɛhu sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ yɛyɛ adeɛ bi ma yɛso yɛho yɛ dɛ ɛtɔ yɛ nti yɛbɛsrɛ sɛ obi a wɔhwɛ bia na obi a wotie bia na wɔyɛ aduane bia no because sɛ nneɔma boa aba fam nneɔma no yɛsu hu yɛ light bay nyame adom yɛhyɛ ase yɛatete so anana me baa meka ho asɛm review asi yɛbɛsa atete so saa first po yɛte so sɛ mbaa mbɛkae percentage ɔmode baɛ yɛfrɛ sɛ 1 cedi kura se yɛyi so yɛbɛbɔ yɛkyi nkakra yɛn nuanom na deɛ kɔ IMF na ɔmode kɔhyɛ mu a wei nyinaa yɛ dɛ ɛbaɛ but yɛadwene Ghanafoɔ ho ana ama wei nyinaa yɛ dɛ aba fam nti mehu ne sɛ ɛyɛ yɛfrɛ sɛ taxes a ɛda fuel so a yɛyi ne deɛ ɛbɛboa ma yɛnoma bebree ayɛ dɛ akɔ fam because recently sɛ wote a VIP ɛsɛ ɔmo increase ɔmo fare but say we ba bonten a ombesa akọ machi ehu se de omo ye no mo ye de omo san ye de entete so ematima muni nye de ehunto no the last yi be kan wa say that man na me kwa amdan so obakuma se na 72 Ghana cedis so but wo hwe last year nyina e ba na 60 Ghana cedis eti 12 cedis no me de ahye me botom ofoforo nso de ahye ne botom aboa mo yekoma ye de adoye wo hwe tama na bipiti akonya mu na akonya no so na emo bo 1002 your friend say bro bo 1002 da bia me ba ha mbeka na aduane bo den pa but ene saa ne mo ni nyina ebu ene me maame bi kodwomu a odimu se anwa na 2.5 na ene ate so aba say 1.5 so enti se yeyi saa D11 no ana se taxes ne bi ye dey efri so a ebe ma ye so ye koma ye dey adwe ade bi epese ye bia transport ba from ye duane sem ba from a enye economy na na stabilizing no na ise bibia ye dey ye kama enti ye mo excellency John Dramani Mahama ye dey abaso na Ghana for ye mo enya rohye se NDC by so ma yeso ye ho ayedai atoye one thing I know na me research bi na I was very sad wo hwe ekwan a MPP for fa so mu yi a toll booth efri kwan so na ti se wodwen wo gra wo nti ase so ye de beba si aka ho asem ye baba ni nyina ense me buy mre bi me kan ho asem na wo ka 24-hour economy ho asem
you worry about something you have the power to establish again
ye baba ye ho adwuma but boni omudi na pesa Ghana for ye ete because omunim say na unim say majority of a contract na wo NDC for day ensem eye tobutu no na contract base so omu ya zo da bi ene NDC for anhwe anom diska na kwakoyo party aba power na omu cancel ye with no reason opa your research asoma make opa your research
they all can free
o say they make free hin every day MPP for na ye no fact bibia o hodom me say wa check it so wo dey o ya dey
my facts no na me
fact ni nyina ne say and say that time omo trade what do you call it road minister so and say buy no mo otwa mu wie no na obi edi na tem before now omo sheda so they say no mo po bi a ekwan be fa so omo be yi sa de ne dey e dey free ho say dey be am NDC for no mo sa contract be free omo nsa adwe ne tachiri nyina no wo dey your research boba bia joy news ni ade nyina wo dey bia
to support what you are saying bia these were the reasons and now what tape being come be of course will be a chance wo yes more bit to media gina so aka na say atesem
enya atesem ense me de unim se me bana beka bibia me make sure say me send proof na ma right now I don't have it here
one can achiro
o se one ka kire me me na me research na me obi na be ka kire me unia
no ye no fine na wotie
me nua no man pipifo ye na fofo ne omo se de ye kwa meeting a omo te no sa na te what you say sa na te me mo proof se me na maka kire
it's not proof
me say me de be ma ho enya tesem unua me ne wo kwadwen obi ho
you cannot tell me say me free MPP penimu we enchen work but normal politics what here now so dey kasa
one thing say obia
you have to establish
one thing say obia enton the concern no cray one
what word now you see here no obia enton the concern
yes
nti wo te na baby
anti nipa kron so e fact no de ma me boni on pese me boni din
obi an konkonsa no di kire o
oh se e ko ka asem o baby amenia ma me fo ma no nti e ado ko che kwadwo ntam
amenia me ho adwiri mi no pa se wotimi ma menua time se wotimi establish fat aha then referee say high house of records wo betna ha enye bosirim kan ye be you o kan sem dia tonkofo bi so a
what so bibi na na so green
o so ai o kan sem dia tonkofo so a you make sure say you have your fat evidence is right and it's over to because of some point invite me to I should come and say anything. Say they've done this over time, and a gun of wire hand you show more. Now this time round you're going to match them boot for boot. Meaning you can now what you say or say, yeah, you told boot a free hole, told boot you free hole. On my concrete factor indicate say ampana adimbonintina MPP for the free hole when to me and come. The advent of e-levy. Now, because you are got the team pony and say, you photo boot anymore. You don't go for a section of people in the tree. They make an answer. Section of people, because we must say the passengers come out. Driver not going to your tow boot. What of the other passengers? Obian Duebi, two of us. It acquires an abedia. You say, Ghana for in a bed, a bit to see a peck, a quan papa, Yapasua, and one can attest to the fact say, Ghana. Abaya with me ya kwan pa MPP abaya and we another go for the my enye many abeta na wasere but on one kasa and in the NDC the communication officers am dem fi mu nyina ya we say as one make that's the fact
but say to boot no so mo you free so na actually mo tan pese mo san deba
the issue here is that
the reason behind
you see
free
the issue here is that on say any decision that you take it rather favor some people and affect some people. Them can say because ye who say ye no disabled for now. I think you chance in this no. Affect you. And what do you do? Though Ghanaians are paying the e-levy, na end this funds to the e-levy so I propaganda will come her because what you said to the man in mama also or catch or the simple catch a Ghana what's a bar e-levy in me ye free. That's not it. No was not ye no disabled for so is a more worker. But we my main call say the substantive topic so. And I mean, yeah, and this in it, yes, don't remember Mamma, sense why I dear. So, I'm going to share cabinet meeting. I've heard you almost say, even say, deal, you know, Mangata Kofa by no. Omubi everywhere. Now, Casana of State, Ukraine, Venezuela. I say, Iran, Venezuela, Israel war, any idea. Now, when did you realize, say, external factors can cause, Venezuela, damage here in Ghana? They don't know who say nkofo kun ntoko o man so a itimi affect Ghana for minia ye 19th ye fa phone ye exercise kakra goyo 19th January 2022 ne liter of fuel 6 cedis ye be ka kire enu anu say Russia Ukraine ntoko no mo kunti ama fuel no skyrocket as no enu anu ka kire say obi onya ntoko ekunu kurom de den na Ghana ni no otia no affecting no is as a result of mismanagement. Today what are they telling us? Dey no person ka che enemy yetimi yes the zeal he had the F1 to tell Ghana the technology to tell Ghana say afed here fuel na avede ekosoro no ebu okosoro no Iran Israel. Aren't you ashamed? But what you said when you were in opposition in something man ka ogoma your communication director something dem can say Russia and Ukraine for bomb no e bia koto kaso a bibuza o chairman hire tie no bomb ni be free Israel but and everybody say after the say world market dey determine say prices here in Ghana and this for me say Ghana ni e wo tie arapa no ono nka so wonim say wato abafo na abafo na wato no won say wato abafo so affect sa 4 years o and say no omuntimi enchange ni sisi a apart from say 10 na so na e ato abafo minia yakoda so musom ko yi deal be fro energy minister John Dinapo ejina parliament e catch Ghana for say because of the event say was it deal no intimi affect prices of fuel fuel no kwade enkosoro. This is what John Dinapo energy minister e catch Ghana for to say or say because of the intelligent government with equipment the words that he used if I'm to quote him verbatim at some energy minister John Dinapo catch Ghana for say even pose a deal levy now yakoda how much yakoda ye no train diary on wa yakoda ya mo pass the fire kwa hu say omo de stabilize ye friend saying ECG energy sector no bibusa say one ga say wunua your colleague nana jantoa ma hu video bi a wa kisu John Dramani Mahama ni this was the day and say light no yetum dum na nya dum so separate pa like this sort time what is separate we support as a new no when they were in opposition and me say they are implementing them
Ti eno na abadum so.
Eno na abadum so no.
Ti ote se prena.
So prena so. Na prena so. Me see baby a metie. But
the truth of the matter is say lights out no. We be people kwabri Easter at time. A day only to meet doom live 12 times.
But me and NDC for be catch Ghana for say they are implementing D-levy. D-levy no mo dey ba no. Omo dey stabilize here and the light system no. Yes na make catch me busa o. And then you can test the fact na one cause be di me one dance here say asema make na nyantro na bi twa.
Am say ya dey kabe.
Ya wa am mo so bia 1.4 billion. Yes na tie. Abro ba ya on with the budget. Finance Minister Bekache say omokotuya 1.4 billion. Then the ref say former Finance Minister etu tuya bi. Okase wi ya na Finance Minister former Mohammed Anta Adams ebe expose no kache say masa asema okay dey obuwa. Unim say NDC for kache say as a result of good management enunti ena bibia de ekoso. Unse na omo NDC fo ni bia omutimi ko fuel pump stations omo gina wa ma ya de 1999 whatever it is
omo to no mu hwe
gu fam today munto na mu san hwe gu fam me say the god of Nanado is exposing you one by one ye hu say mangasa ma ban no mu twantro ena mu de bi to me ena mu di to me we say 2 minutes I put am ena mu san so twantro say oh asmo de ka ena aduane boafo what is kola not to idea bibisa wo obotimi de be say
what is what
kola not to idea na wan san na ne si wa ya o de ko be say kokko kuani na wato ne haircut no o jira ha bu o ka che kokko kuani ni say akufo do aban nye the trimodi o you wicked to the extent say only the book at Mr. Obey say BC da.
I'm missing a question. The decision by cabinet not to you are
well, and yes sir, I get now near discussing fuel prices. But send your NDC for the year propaganda will come. And the boy about no. Me betra naka the fuel cost. Meaning said it is being determined by the wet market. Them can say. And this will be on him. But me no magana for be ya where say. And now sanity o. And this is the situation. But the situation is that akufo do ba because omuye bad managers intino and am fuel price no extra rocket.
That is a mean say material can I say more politicians no more hypocrite intina and then when it is to your advantage now what only line no tomorrow if it is not to your advantage then you are giving reasons.
Okay.
Because fuel prices here last year.
Let's take this way. Me I'm aware. Ghana for you aware. You talk about MPP. You didn't say I'm more homework.
Yes.
You promise resetting. True of us.
Okay.
To the extent so could you really ban. When you say reset, I'm not near Bible until any defining reset. You use to Oxford Dictionary name. Macmillan near the catcher Ghana for no. No one say don't remind him Mahama is the God center. What bar? Or petty Ghana for it will be BNP before year and the piano. They are bringing it back. And what do we see? Bibisao and now Mamuna Danekasa. But Mr. Kacham said, Ghanaians never elected you to complain. Fix the mess you said. Mess na mudna bonte kacha Ghana for to Numuha. And then Mahama is the hope, not knowing say, oh, you're hopeless. Bibisao, not knowing what my Ghana for, are you hopeless? Send them because they teacher needs you. And then you didn't say before. They are crying. I'm say Ghana month no more demonstration.
You still not answered my question. Yeah. Taxes net that's sooner year free sooner. Yeah.
Abine, you are there to savage your people from their plight. Okay. Say oh baba. Now this is say papa ebe boa onko for. Them guys what say. Mini problem da. And I mean to me say abani be ye free no say timamuni ni Ghana de Genoa. Otuatas no Ghana this no ba na mean to me say the enye but the American say senior NDC for gina krom ha etra krom ha e bibia they politicize everything if is obi kran to na Iran na politics oh krom ha today and you are singing different tune
oh sir
obi ni
ya NDC you timi ka say and na so kwa no boy yedin aso bo kwa yedin okrom ha ama Ghana fo ni bi so gidi e ko to abandon ma NDC enemi ni abetra have the F13 on fere kwa so abetra be ka say and now Iran Israel abro ka say Russia Ukraine entimi affect Ghana today Iran Israel everything affect Ghana and you ashamed
mate kwajo mamenye message kakra vi ma hwefo ni matie for ho we free Masoud Kumasi Bantama. Also, the NDC's reset agenda in 24-hour economy promise has been a deceit, and Ghanaians have regretted selling their color TV for black and white. Fellow Ghanaians, arise and let's save this country from total collapse. Hashtag Baumia 2028. So, what can say hashtag Baumia Twaswa or Twadianso? Meaning, say 2028. Hashtag Baumia 2028. But what can say Twaswa na go or Tesun 2000 na?
Oh, so he's talking about the economic.
But okay, we obi message. I shouldn't be asking you, but I say hashtag Baumia 2028. Regards to Honorable Sompa, National First Vice Chairman, hopeful. DJ Opadimo Felix from Kumasi Swami. Also, Ghanaians are praying that 2028 will come soon, so that the NPP party will come to power in order to enjoy good economy. I love NPP party. Greetings to Dr. Baumia Chama Odenho Kweku Apia, aka Koka, Honorable Maxwell of Osubuachi, former MCA Swami, Chairman Owusu Bempa, Nshayeso, and Ananabi and JFK. Okay, I don't say the or the abanono. Teacher Constitution, we are more say. Or say Ghanaians shouldn't praise NDC if they remove petroleum taxes, since they were the ones milking us with those taxes. We haven't forgotten that. We haven't forgotten those freebies during COVID-19 NPP style. JDM's lies won't work in 2028. Ghanaians will see through NDC's tactics and hold them accountable in 2028. NDC's removal of petroleum taxes won't erase their poor governance record. My regards to Dr. Baumia, JFK, and Nana B. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Mame say Hansu Ebiaba. Okay, mame mra kwajo so na fi me nkɔhwɛ message ba na family no ato so kwajo ave emra me attorney general ene akwakojo ni tete on OSP issue. Your take.
Minya would say na obebusa say again aba again let's oman bibiaba anka bibiama you now who nominated and as who appointed this attorney general Dominic Ayinde on appointed
the president of the republic.
Yes, so on my day and per the constitution who read article 88 clause 3 na assembly no can all the prosecution powers is vested in the attorney general, right?
Yes,
but today again also why are they doing power struggling? Yantiasie who the assembly na tin na say what demonstrate a gun of wrong so or you're incompetent because send your musu jina grum ho a ye the day MPP four or basle ko a gun of vosika and a gun of force na bedia o de ye nu kana tintin ni nyanse ye nto abamamo na mombra mo ba obi bia wo wi ma vosika bia no monko na monkote no na momfa na mra ye enya sa nete me see they preach corruption unim say e ka say e say don't the many mama one ka say odi Jesus Christ e ba be ye fe say bola man anazo be zoom la adwuma o enu ko don't the many mama ti banka okromu he said everything even go grani ni go ka ten say odi ayi boho eli go farm or the politician akọ okay no me be okromu a tell him say LGBTQ everything today what do we see? What do we see? It will not know. You talk about here on the 8th. Now, and go parliamentary approval and put on a establish so. BBC friend oral, the president cover all route. Our modern friend say, you know, who could have black and the foreign minister. The two and then go to Kruma. Political witch hunting. Who will fear your bow what to say? You're not going to fight a crack of fun and you're lost. Only fear.
Kwajo.
Asem na make that no
kwajo kasa wa nka jai I thought that you know let's be fair to ourselves and let's be fair to our listeners too, Kwajo. Kwajo, if you go that extent, and I say what lower politics now, oh yeah, one man up from the law. Me pese me bodini.
Mama gas am
kasa wanka. Me pese obeti mu
crap. Mama, what there? The American say. Yet the Kroma, we saw what happened.
Yes, into what you kind. But to the extent that
Enyema kosu wo Kroma no, unless you tell me say now Kroma now want heavy.
No Kroma, but the
Ghana government.
They all can enter.
I am no Krona me catch on. Oh, ni necklace no wanya. We should have go home what za. I come in about okay. Unless you tell me say as no Kroma want heavy. The check gun of war want to say.
Ko na o kan na me boss.
The check gun of war want to say. You are fighting for extradition, right? Some for up to now, Ghana of war anymore. Now okay, me say the mountain. We say every Ghana sika with dig Ghana sika. Numerous events and press conferences. Numerous a year press briefings as Attorney General ayo Kromha OSP wamfa say over time for now to Venezuela one time listen so Kromha kind of funny nanya regime to the sense say or promise May say March 26 say omude for that day Kromha month be we na we to say I say NDC for now apart from propaganda and lies omuni will be account me say ye intro ya kwa na fa kwa dai ya ko magofo bond ya ko di dai ya ko bond ba kata kwa dai today and am ko dis kan no famre ya adani buachi bi di adani nyumto adani sapru sapa Ghana for say anyway na ya say ne hwe to abama amu ene OSP ene Venezuela Attorney General kuntokwa is a one order no baba be ye
ko banga kutua half university pet and your challenges kakra because then so mo de ubia ne time bound na wo de fa ne nkrofo wie for first year no by clinically the enzo mu nyina use the same timeline enti admission be ba no abai di ka for half no dada ansa na wako bank kura kutua half ne ka ho onim ana onim de asi onim
na obanye me come asem